Hello, English learners, and welcome back to English Easy Tips. My name is Emma.
And I'm Jack. How are you today, Emma?
I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. And I'm super excited for today's episode.
Oh, me too. We've got a great lesson for everyone today. It's a very common situation where we're going to use real, everyday English.
Yep, exactly. This is the kind of English that people actually use in daily conversations. And that's what we want you to learn.
So, what are we talking about today specifically?
Well, today we've got a really common situation that might even be a little bit embarrassing for some people.
That's right, an embarrassing situation. But don't worry, we'll break it down, and by the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident in handling it.
Yes, exactly. So let's start with listening to the dialogue. It's going to be a bit fast the first time, but don't worry if you don't understand everything. After about 10 minutes, you'll get it.
Perfect. All right, let's listen.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, what are you doing in this neighborhood? Do you live around here?
Actually, my office is right around the corner. It was great meeting you last week at the conference. I really enjoyed our conversation about foreign investment.
Yeah, it was really interesting. You know, I'm in a bit of a hurry, but here's my card. We should definitely meet up again to continue our discussion.
Sure, you still have my contact details, right?
You know what? This is really embarrassing, but your name has just slipped my mind. Can you remind me?
Sure, my name is Nick. Don't worry about it. It happens to me all the time. I'm terrible with names, too.
Wow, Anna forgot his name. That's happened to me a lot of times. I'll tell you more about that a little later.
Now let's start with our 3 language takeaways for today. These are key phrases you can use in real-life conversations. So the first phrase we're focusing on is in a bit of a hurry.
This is a super useful phrase. When you're in a bit of a hurry, it means that you're moving quickly because you don't have much time. It's not as urgent as I'm in a rush, but it shows you need to hurry up a little.
Exactly. Anna used this phrase when she said, "I'm in a bit of a hurry." So let's listen to a few examples to really understand how to use it.
Example 1. Can you drive faster? I'm in a bit of a hurry. Example 2. I can't talk right now. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Example 3. I'm in a bit of a hurry, so I'll check these files later.
Basically, it means you're busy or you have somewhere to be, but it's not a major emergency. You're just moving quickly.
The second phrase we're looking at today is contact details.
This is a very common phrase that refers to the information you need to contact someone. It can include things like your name, phone number, email address, and any other way someone can reach you.
So in the dialogue, when Anna asks, "You still have my contact details, right?" she's referring to the information that Nick can use to contact her.
Let's look at a few examples of how to use this phrase.
Example 1. Do you have the contact details for our internet service provider? Example 2. Here's my card with all my contact details. Example 3. I don't have your contact details. Can you send them to me?
You'll hear contact details often in business settings or anytime you're exchanging information with someone.
And the third phrase for today is slipped my mind.
This is a funny one because it sounds a bit strange, but it's very useful in everyday situations.
When you say something slipped my mind, it means you forgot it. It wasn't intentional, you just forgot.
That's exactly what happened in the dialogue. Anna says, "Your name has just slipped my mind."
Let's hear a couple more examples.
Example 1. I'm sorry I forgot to respond to your email. It just slipped my mind. Example 2. Oh no, I forgot your birthday. It completely slipped my mind.
It's a polite and casual way to admit you forgot something. It's not too serious, just a little mistake.
Now let's take a look at how to put it together. This is where we combine what we've learned so far to sound more fluent.
The first phrase we'll talk about is around here. We use this to mean close by or nearby.
For example, you could say, "Is there a bank around here?" That just means, is there a bank nearby?
Another way to use it is, "There's a great restaurant right around the corner." This means it's just down the street or very close by.
And if you're talking about a place you used to live, you could say, "I used to live around there." This is a casual way of saying you lived near that place.
Next up, we have our Fluency Builder section. We want to show you how to make your English sound more natural by using casual phrases.
In the dialogue, Anna says, "How's it going?" instead of the more formal, "How are you?"
This is a great phrase to use with friends or people you know well. It's casual and friendly.
It's much more relaxed than saying, "How are you doing?" or "How are you?" Try it out next time you see a friend.
So, have you ever forgotten someone's name, Jack?
Oh, definitely. I think we've all been there. The most embarrassing time for me was at a party where I ran into someone I hadn't seen in years. I was like, oh my gosh, I know you, but what is your name? I felt so awkward.
Yeah, I've had similar experiences. One time at a family reunion, I forgot one of my uncle's names. It was so embarrassing.
So what did you do?
I just called him uncle and hoped no one noticed. Haha.
Now let's listen to the dialogue again. But this time, we'll slow it down a bit so you can catch all the key phrases we've talked about.
Hey, how's everything going?
Oh, hey, things are going well. Just a little busy with work. How about you?
Same here, actually. I've got a lot to do today, but I wanted to stop by and say hi. Do you live around here?
Yeah, I do. My apartment's just a couple of blocks away. What about you?
I actually work nearby, so I'm always around here for lunch. If you're free, we should grab a coffee sometime.
That sounds great. I'm in a bit of a rush today, but we should definitely do that soon. Here, take my card and we'll set it up.
Sure, I'll text you later. Oh, by the way, I'm really sorry. I totally forgot your name just now. Can you remind me?
Haha, no worries. It's Tom. I totally get it. I'm terrible with names too.
Thanks for being understanding. Let's get some coffee together soon.
Absolutely. Take care and we'll catch up soon.
Now you've heard the new dialogue. I hope you were able to catch those key phrases and vocabulary we discussed earlier.
The more you practice these kinds of dialogues, the easier it becomes to understand and use natural, everyday English. Keep practicing, and you'll sound more fluent and confident in your conversations. The more you practice these kinds of dialogues, the easier it becomes to understand and use natural, everyday English. Keep practicing, and you'll sound more fluent and confident in your conversations. Keep practicing and stay confident. You'll improve more and more every day. See you next time on English Easy Tips.